Hello everyone, welcome back to the course. In this video, I am going to show you Astrosoft, a astrology software that is developed by my own brother, and this software is absolutely free for our Udemy students. Let me tell you how to download this software. So open a browser and type learn.innovativeastrosolutions.com. I hope you remember this website. This is the same website that we used for our ephemeris. So once the website is open, go to the top menu and click on software. So here you can see the Astrosoft free Vedic astrology software. These are the most important features of this software. Now click on the download button. Now this download page will appear. So in that, click on this green button, clone or download. So click on this download zip button. It may ask for sign in, but nothing is required. It should already started downloading. So it may take few seconds. Meanwhile, we go to ephemeris tab and give the birth details of Steve Jobs to get online ephemeris, so that after generating horoscope in the software, we can cross verify the planetary positions. So here Steve Jobs was born on 1955. So I am going to select 1955. February 24th. So February 24, 1955 is selected. 7:15 p.m. 7:15 p.m. So the default location is selected as Bangalore. So let me close this. He was born on San Francisco. You have to select this, pick this. Automatically the location details and the time zone is populated. Now click on the calculate button. Now the ephemeris is available for this birth detail. Now for this software to successfully run, we need a Java runtime environment. So go to oracle.com and download Java runtime environment. So once if you open oracle.com, you will see Java runtime environment for different OS. According to the OS you use, click on this download button. For example, I use Windows x64. Then I have to click this button. So once you click this button, the download will automatically start. Then follow the installation instructions. In case if you already have Java installed in your system, you can skip this step. After Java is installed, you need to verify whether it is installed correctly. For that, go to Windows and type cmd, command prompt. Once command prompt is open, type java -version. If it is successfully installed, then it will show the version. Here I am getting the Java version that is installed in my system. Now in my system, the Astrosoft is downloaded. So I just copy this and pasting it in the E drive astrology software folder. So you can create your own folder. I am just coming here and pasting it here. So this is the zip file. So we need to unzip this. So right click on this file and say extract here. Use unzip method that is available in your system. Once it is successfully extracted, go to this Astrosoft master folder. Inside there is a bin folder. Click on that. And you need to double click on run Astrosoft to run this application. So the Astrosoft software will open. Let me close it again. In case if you are not using Windows and using other OS, then I will tell you how to run this application using command prompt. Now this software is available in E drive in my system. So I will go to E drive, E:. In that I have copied this software in the astrology software folder. So change directory cd astrology software. Now I am into this folder. Inside that the folder name is Astrosoft master. So change directory Astrosoft-master. Now we are into master folder. Inside that we need to go to bin folder, cd bin. So now we are into bin folder. Now I need to run the bat file. So run astrosoft.bat. Click enter. So now the software is open. So once the software is open, click on this new button, or you can go to file and say new. It will open up a new window to enter the birth details. So let me give birth details of Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs. He was born in 1955. Month February. And the date is 24th. And the time 7:15 p.m. So let me mark seconds as 0. Minutes 15 minutes. 7 hours. It is p.m. Now the birthplace is San Francisco. For the most of the major cities inside India, once you enter the birth city and click on search, it will show the city. So once you select, the latitude, longitude will be automatically selected. But for the city outside India, this feature is not available. Since we have already entered his data in online ephemeris, we know the latitude and longitude of San Francisco. So which is 37 degree 46 minutes north. 7 degree 46 minutes north. 122 degree and 25 minutes west. West. And the time zone we have to select GMT -8. This includes the daylight saving for that city in that year. So I need to go to -8. If you don't get the exact location, you choose any of the location inside America which has -8 GMT. I will verify the data again. 24th February 1955, 7:15 p.m. San Francisco. The latitude, longitude and time zone, everything is entered. Now click OK. Now you can see the horoscope is generated. So let me save this horoscope. So click on this button, save. You can choose a location to save this file. I am going to the astrology software folder and give the name Steve Jobs. Horoscope. Click on save. So now this horoscope is saved in the system. And if you want to open the saved horoscope, click on this button, open. It will show you the location where you saved the horoscope. So click on this and say open. Now you can verify the birth details here and also the sunrise and sunset during that day, the nakshatra of moon, the Rasi, Lagna which is ascendant, and the current Dasa period and Dasa balance during birth. So you can see the Rasi chart here and the Navamsa chart in the down. Now if you want to see the planetary positions, click on this button. Now you can see the longitude of each planet and the Rasi in which it is occupied. You can verify the longitude from the online ephemeris. So the sun is 312 degree 30 minutes 44 seconds. 312 degree 30 minutes 44 seconds. So similarly you can cross verify all the planetary positions. Now if you want to go back to the chart again, click on this button, chart. Now you will come back to the same Rasi and Navamsa chart. Now this is the divisional chart. Once if you click this, you can see the divisional charts. Rasi, Hora, Drekana, Chadurtamsa, Navamsa, Saptamsa, all the charts are available here. I will tell about Shadbala little later. And in the view button, you can see the same menu option, chart, Dasa, planetary position, Shadbala, etc. Now in the options, you can see there are 3 types of Ainamsa which you can use. But since the Lagari is most popularly used, I always use Lagari. And language you can use either in Tamil or English. If you want to print this horoscope, click on this print button. It will open up a print dialog. You can choose the print location using this browse button. So once you click the print, this horoscope will be stored in the PDF format. This software will be very useful for your analysis. So please kindly download and use this. In case if you have any further doubts using this software, please ask your questions in the Q&A section. I am happy to assist you. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.